Hello, friends. Good day to you all, wherever you might be right now across the world. I'm very happy to be here again today. I welcome you all to Lasogenic Bistock. All right. In this video today, I will show you step by step on how to make 20,000 naira daily. How to make 20,000 naira daily with sun power. This is solar energy investment platform. So all you just need to do is to stay tuned and watch this video to the very end so that you can have the full grasp of the information that I'm about to relate to you right now, because information is very vital for financial transformation. So you just need the right information so that you can be financially transformed, so that you can be financially secured, so that you can be financially settled. All right, so before I move further, before I go deeper in this video, I want you to know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasogenic Bistock. Okay, Lasogenic Bistock is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investment so that you can be financially free, secured, and settled. All right, this channel is created so that I can share with you some of the ways whereby I personally have been making money online. So you can just browse through the channel. There are many contents here that I've created over the time to share with you how I have been making money online. Okay, and also Glasgow Stock is all about financial education and not for financial advice. For that reason, you are expected to do your own due diligence and research before you venture into any of the online investment that I've shared here. This is not that I'm not scaring you, but I just need to tell you that you need to be responsible for your action. If you are new here or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be continually be notified whenever I upload new video. Okay, and if after you have watched any of this video or this particular one, you found it to be very meaningful, very meaningful to you, useful and helpful, then please don't hesitate to share it with your friends and family. Give me a thumbs up to show that you're in support of this work that we are doing over here. All right, thanks so much for doing that. And once again, what we are considering today is how to make 20,000 naira daily with sun power solar energy investment platform. All right, in as we all know that in the world is revolving, and everything about financial, everything about power, everything about business, everything is also revolving as the world is revolving in technology and in other areas of our daily activities. So now, Sun Power Solar Energy Investment Platform, is a platform whereby they generate their money by investing into solar energy products. You know, especially in place like Nigeria, in this part of the world, in Nigeria to be specific, whereby we are having an epileptic power supply which is being generated from the hydroelectric power. And so there is a need for alternative, because every day we need power for our daily activities. And this is a problem whereby sun power is bringing a solution to. So, and whenever there is a problem and whenever there is a solution to a problem, making money, it is inevitable. So that is the reason why you need to plug into this. You need to plug into this platform now, okay? And after you have done your own research, sun power, they make money through solar energy investments. So they make money through solar energy products. So for you to make money in sun power, all you need to do is that you just need to have an account with them. So quickly, let me take you to the platform to show you how it's being done. All right, sun power. All right, this is their app here. So this is their app here. So it's gone are those days whereby you only make use of your phone for calling, for watching movie, for using the social networking site without making money. So this is the best time for you to earn with your phone, to monetize your phone. You need to turn your phone to a money making machine. There are several opportunities that are online whereby you just need to explore and make money on daily basis for yourself. So the best thing for you to do now is that you just need to click on the you just need to just check the description box of this video below. So in the description box, you are going to see the registration link there so that you can get registered and start earning from this particular platform. Okay, so what you need to do is after you have registered, as in just check the description box of this video below. You are going to see the registration link there. So keep all the registration logins, keep them very safe. Okay, and you will be directed to the Google Play Store to download the app. So after you have successfully downloaded the app, then you just need to log in. So when you log in, the first thing you do is that you need to check the purchase all. Just come down here straight away to this place. Come down to this place to purchase all. So after you have clicked on the purchase all, you will see several equipment that you can invest into, and you can make 20,000 naira. You can even make more than that in a day. You can make more than 20,000 naira with this platform in a day. So you just need to go for the one that you are financially that is suitable for you financially, that you can afford rather. Okay, right now, let's start with this one. We have this one that is called Tiger Neo 60HC. It costs 800,000 naira. 800,000 naira, and you'll be earning 1,350 naira profit per hour. So let's do some calculation here. 1,350 naira per hour multiplied by 24. 1,350 times 24. So here alone, you are making 32,400 naira in a day. 32,400 in a day. Then multiply by 30 days. That is 972,000 naira. So you have already made more than your capital in a month. So you have 172,000 naira profit in a month. You can see that this is huge. This is really good and very calm. Okay, so another one there that you can also go for is the Tiger Pro 72HC monofacial. This one costs 500,000 naira, and you will be earning 772 naira profit per hour. So let's do the calculation also. 772 multiplied by 24. So you are making 18,528 naira in a day. Then multiply by 13. You are making 555,840 naira in a month. So you already made 55,000 extra on your capital. All right, and all this equipment lasts for a year. It lasts for the period of a year. So imagine you making that amount of money every month. So this platform is giving you opportunity to make money in the space of a year, whereby you can make more than 100% of your money in just a month. And you can also buy multiple equipment here. For instance, if you have the power to buy that of the 800,000, the Tiger Neo HC 60HC, you can also go for the Tiger Pro 72HC monofacial. So it depends on how financially buoyant you are. So you can also buy that of the 200,000 naira, the Tiger Pro 72HC bifacial. So you can buy multiple equipment here, and it will enable you to make more money. All right. So that is how it's being done. So after you have selected, you know the particular equipment that you want to buy, then you just need to proceed, and you need to click on buy. For instance, let's say you want to buy that of the 200,000. Just click on buy. So you confirm it. I don't have up to that, so it won't be confirmed, it won't be successful. So you just need to click on me here, and you need to deposit. So click on me, then click on my wallet. So when you click on my wallet, then you click on you click on recharge rather. You click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, then you are going to click on the particular amount that you wish to invest. So let's say that is 800,000. Then you click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, you will be directed to the payment gateway, whereby you are going to send the money, and in very short period of time, the money will reflect in your account. It will reflect here. It will reflect in your account here. So it will reflect here. So immediately it reflects there, then just go back to the purchase all. When you go back to the purchase all, then just buy the particular equipment that you have deposited for. So that is all, and you'll be making your money every hour. So you just need to come down here. You just need to click on my device. Just come down here every hour or once in a while to claim what you have earned. So it's going nowhere. Just click on my device here. So when you click on my device, click on my device. Then so after you have clicked on my device, then the amount that is available for you to withdraw, it will be there. So now I have 12 naira 30 kobo to receive for now. So after I click on receive, so you need to click on receive. So click on receive, so it will be added to my balance. It will be added to my balance. So that is how it's being done. So it's as simple as ABC. So that's how it's being done. So every hour you'll be making that money. You'll be making the money that is equivalent to the particular package that is equivalent to the particular equipment that you bought. All right, so that is how to go about it. And you can withdraw your money at any time. You can withdraw your money and you get your money in your bank account in the space of 24 hours. Within 24 hours, it will reflect in your bank account. So this is how many have been making money online. This is how many have been making money online, and I think you too can make money from this platform. So it's not too late for you to start. Just make sure that it is what you can. It is. So just make sure that it is what. Just make sure that it is what you want to. So just make sure it is what. All right. So that is how it's gonna be. All right, thanks so much for watching this video. So whenever you want to withdraw, just click on me. When you click on me, then click on my wallet, then click on withdraw. So when you click on withdraw, you are going to input the bank account and you are going to link your bank you are going to set your bank account there. You can also withdraw through the USDT. Then input the amount you want to withdraw, then click on withdraw. So in the space of 24 hours, you are going to get your withdrawal in your bank account. So this is where I'm going to stop for today. If you have any question concerning this video, let me know through the comment box of this video, or you can chat me up through my WhatsApp contacts. And also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be dropping some ways to make money online there, some information on how you can make money online in the channel. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to this YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell and share with your friends and family. Thanks so much once again, and meet me in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all. Bye for now.